Sweaty Krab, I'm Ayden and this is my zone. Do you know banana trees have flowers? Today, we are turning banana blossoms into something crispy, golden, and delicious. Tod man. Huapli. This is huapli. Or Thai banana blossom fritters. Let's cook. Let's go. After washing the banana blossom, peel off the petals one by one, discarding the small banana flowers inside. Then slice it into small pieces. Cut it about this thin. Yum, 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 yum. Now I have it in a big bowl. Prickang. น้ำตาล ซีอิ๊วขาว ใบมะกรูด Some big gloves. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That actually feels very good. I think we need to add more flour. Fry it in hot oil over medium heat until crispy and golden brown. And now it's done. I hope you like this video. Don't forget, I'm Ayden and this is my zone. Bye. Hope you have a great day. Going down the stairs. This is my first time eating banana blossom. Let me tell you guys, this is amazing. Very easy to cook. Smells good. What's inside? Nothing?